Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Facebook account public step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section and tap on How People Can Find and Contact You. Here, you'll see who can send you friend requests. Tap on it and change it to everyone, then hit save. Now, go back and tap on public profile info. Change who could follow me to public and save it. Make sure to set the other privacy options to public as well for full visibility. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now public and visible to everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.